for this Middle America political map and bodies of water, there's a few things that you're going to need to do. At the bottom, it gives you the directions. It says label Middle America countries, so Mexico, Belize, Guatemala, Honduras, El Salvador, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, and Panama. So you're going to want to label those countries, and then you're also going to label the bodies of water. So we have the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, Caribbean Sea, the Rio Grande River, and Lake Nicaragua. Over here are some more instructions on how to do this. It says use a political map to label the MA countries and bodies of water. So what I would do is I would open up a new tab and just search political map of Middle America and pick one that you think is most helpful. So you'll pick one and to show the different countries. Then if you also want one that shows the bodies of water, you can do that as well. So you'll pick one of the maps that you use for to be able to do the assignment. Now it says add text boxes to label the map, and then so you'll use blue text boxes for water and green for countries. So to add a text box up at the top, beside like the cursor, there's a little T that's inside and it says text box. So you'll click on that, and then it'll give you a plus sign. You can kind of just create your own text box. So I want to label this. I want to label it Mexico because that country is Mexico. And you could do this a few ways. You can change the color of the text by changing it to the color that you want it. Or what you could do, which might be a little bit easier, is just covering the whole box. See that little paint bucket with a drip? You can just pick it and it will change the background to the color that you want it. So what I would do is just do it that way. So I would add the text box and say I want to do this little country right here. See how it already did that for me? It's already in that, so maybe do all of your countries. Now, see how it's really big? You could kind of put that to the side and then add a line. So up here, where you have that the tool belt up at the top, you have text box, you have image, you have shapes, and then you have a line. If you go down and you click that little arrow down, you can pick arrow, and then what you can do is point that arrow to where it is. So like you can even have like Belize all the way out here and change that arrow so it points to where you want it. So you have a little bit more room within that. So you'll want to do all of the countries. Now for the bodies of water, you will do very similar, is that you'll do the text box, but instead of green, we want blue. So we will do the little paint drip pail, pick a blue, and then type what ocean you think it is. Okay? And you'll want to do that for all of them. Okay?